How to start a home-based business without investment. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be looking into how to start a home-based business without any investment. Yes, you heard it right, with absolutely zero investment. Let's get right into it. A home-based business, whether it's a full-time or side hustle, long-term or short-term, is one where you use your own home as your business foundation and operational headquarters. Have you noticed that home-based ventures have recently become very popular? Lockdowns due to the pandemic have forced people to stay at home. It is also a time when job security is lesser while the basic expenses keep rising. So it seems like a good idea to focus energies and resources towards home-based businesses. At least that way, you can be more in control of your income. Still, it may sound like a cliche, but the toughest part of any important task is to get started. That's the reason most business plans end up simply as ideas and nothing more. Actually taking the plunge into entrepreneurship can be a bit overwhelming, especially for your first business. Do I have the necessary capital to start the business? Will I be able to get sales? Will I be able to get profits? Maybe you're going through these questions and doubts, and they seem to be putting you off to start your own business. Make no mistake, these are all valid questions, but many such questions will only be answered once you get things started. And it helps when the risk is low. And the risk is low when the investment is minimal. How about zero? That is what we'll be looking into in this very video. How do you start a low-risk home-based business with absolutely no investment and be successful? Here are 5 pointers. Let's go. Number 1, assess your skills and talent. Before starting, it is of utmost importance to check your skills and talent and figure out where your passion is. Do this with brutal honesty. Maybe you're passionate about baking. Maybe you're a creative person who is good at, say, arts and crafts. Why go through all the soul searching, you may ask? Well, because this will help you to choose the home-based business that's right for you. And doing so will instinctively allow you to put all your efforts into it and push yourself to be successful. Number 2, build a business plan. Ask any entrepreneur about their business plan and they will immediately tell you how valuable it is to make one. Some might even call it their Bible. A business plan is a detailed blueprint of how you want your business to function and operate. From business analysis, market analysis, consumer demands, to behavior and financial projections and goals, a business plan will be your GPS to help you navigate your home-based business in the market. It may sound complicated and time-consuming, but when you are starting a zero investment project, it is necessary to build a well thought out business plan. Jotting and projecting your financial ins and outs will give you an idea of how to source and sell, where to save capital and where not to. Another sub part would be deciding your marketing model. Well, will it be online or offline? Will it be a supply on order business or an advertising based model? Strategizing over these will give you a clear path into starting your business investment free. Number 3, know your target audience. Another critical pointer before kickstarting your home-based businesses is to know and research your target audience. Knowing what business you want to start is one thing, but it is equally important to observe and research the trends and demands of other similar existing businesses. This will help you to know whether the business has potential in terms of sales in the market. At the end of the day, it is sales that will guarantee you success. To do that, marketing strategies advise narrowing down your target audience and be as specific as you can. Learn who are your likely buyers and accordingly set up the business targeting, keeping that group in focus. Even after you have started one, notice and track the responses it is getting. Understand your customer. Such minor details could be the deciding factor in the expansion of your business. Number 4, set up an online store. Now, let's say you have set up your business. But how do people get to know your business? Where do they discover you or find you? You may think there are so many businesses serving billions of people globally that it's impossible to promote your little startup business in the big league marketplace. But if your target audience is specific, you will be able to reach them with the power of search engines and marketing on social media. It's not too difficult to find your niche, and there are many ways to do so. Sometimes even organically at zero cost. But first and foremost, you must set up your very own online business store on the web. This is where your potential customers will interact with your business. It can be a website or a social media page, or it could even be an online store with Dukaan. Knowing your audience should help you decide that, and you can set it up for absolutely no cost. This platform will also further help you later on when you partner with third-party marketing aggregators. But remember, an online store is not simply a showcase for your products, it is also a factor in the purchasing decisions of your buyers. How does your storefront look? How easy is it to interact with your business? Addressing all of this will help you gain the trust of potential buyers and build your brand. Number 5, select the right third-party aggregators. And finally, we come to the last point, the right third-party aggregators. It might seem like going about a business can be an easy solo venture, but there are many details and logistics to manage and organize that can turn into a quick mess if not handled well. This is where third-party applications and software come into the picture. Some of them offer various facilities from setting up your business to detailing with orders and deliveries so that you can focus solely on your talent of producing and manufacturing the product. But they also charge a bomb, and most of them are extremely non-user friendly to people who are not that well versed with technology. Dukaan, on the other hand, looks to bridge these gaps. Home to several successful home-based businesses, the Dukaan app lets you start, run, and grow your online business in the easiest way possible. Here's everything you got to know about Dukaan. You get to create your business profile, showcase your products, set their prices, and even manage orders and delivery. You also get to promote your business without needing any technological know-how, and it's absolutely free. So if you want to start a home-based business without investment, sign up on Dukaan and create your online store first, and that will be your first step to success. Growing your business from there will be super easy. We hope you found this video useful. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. As usual, the download links are in the description below. Until next time.